bad, but yeah.
Hey, spark that shit up, man.
No. Hey, nigga, like the take you on the date. On the front, we gon' get the blade down. I ain't blade, but I like to slay. With your bitch every day. Hold up with the cake. Nah, don't relate. No, we can't relate. Pussy nigga hate. All they wanna hate. Talk to me. Get a lesson.
Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Geno. Welcome to Geno's Garage, where we got Geno built things that's simply Geno. Simply Geno, the little, the little scribbliness, whatever. But I'm actually gonna head out to do a job real quick. I just came by to shoot a little quick clip in the garage to upload something to the YouTube channel to get this thing rolling. We got some shit going on in the garage. I got my car outside, so we got plenty of room in here today. Got my boy Kareem's B18 black. Got it in here for some upgrades, but gonna tear it down and get it cleaned up, taken care of. I gotta clean this garage too. I was supposed to do this earlier, but your man's like to sleep. That's all I can say. Also got my tranny for my little D series. Freaking blew the diff out of my shit, so got this here. I'm waiting on the LSD to come in so I can throw the LSD in, and then we send this bitch on its way, get it cleaned up, get it painted, drop it in. Also waiting on my T3 manifold to come in for that bitch too. Yo. I don't know what I'm doing. Be out here with the stuffs. And out here with the boy Reem-bai.
Let me put the ring by your finger. Take your clothes off. You are cute, baby.
Yes, sir. There it is. But besides that, today we doing a bunch of things today. Today's a nice, beautiful Saturday. Look at the sun. Look at the blue. Look at the colors. Wonderful. Just gonna get the car cleared out. Get all that stuff inside. I bought fluids for the Civic, so when we put the transmission in, we good. We have everything ready to go. Got the cleaners. Kareem pulled up. He's gonna work on this block today. Get it cleaned out. Hopefully my boy pulls up later, and he's gonna be dropping off a bike, and then we're probably gonna tow this shit out of here. Hopefully we do, because it's taking up a lot of room, and I ain't doing nothing with it right now. Yeah, I said I was gonna clean up, but I never did. Oh shit. Anyway, let's get this bitch. Let's get this shit started, y'all. Boy Geno.
This is what we're using. Basically what I'm doing is cleaning off the block. This is what we're using to clean the block off. Get that AutoZone for this size, I think it was maybe like $13 or so. But we used it before, it worked out pretty well, so I'm about to start cleaning off my block. Fire. Shout out my boy Geno right here. You heard Geno.
I ain't gonna show you that. second coat gonna be flaming.
If I have enough for a second coat.
I'll go see if there's some at the store. At Home Depot, that's where I'm going. I'll be back.